Hey guys, how you doing? Are you ready to paint or watch me paint? Hopefully maybe you're painting too. Gonna do a pour painting. Are you surprised? Because I'm not. Anyways, I am using all Liquidtex paint, and in the description you can find what I mixed up the paint with. I am working on a new, I'm working on paint, what paint from mixing the paints. I'm working on a new mixture, and we'll see what's going to come of that. A new mixture for the base. But I've been testing some different things, and so far I don't see any big change. So big change or any excitement. So I haven't, just keep testing. So, also, I want to show you, I'm going to use similar colors to this one. See this one? I'm going to use similar colors. I had to mix my own colors because I'm kind of short. And I don't know if does anybody know? Can you go into Michael's? I don't think you can. But anyways, I think you can order and pick it up. I like to go in and look at the colors and then decide what I want. So, put them together and see I think is going to be exciting. So, but anyways, I really like this one. I don't know if you can see. I think it's pretty cool. So we're going to use some of those same colors. And here's another really cool one. Well, I like the way this one turned out too. And I have, I've varnished both of these 2 times. So they have a really nice shiny coat on them. So, pretty happy with that. Anyways, I am going to get started. So we're just going to pull you down. Okay, so anybody else tired of the quarantine? Huh. Oh my goodness. I hear there's a lot of small business going out of business. I think that's so sad. I feel for them. Man, it's hurting everybody pretty bad. So, trying to get this glove to open up. Okay, try a different one. Alright, let me see if I can get you a little bit closer. Closer. Okay. That's a little bit better, maybe. Okay, so I'm going to do the same thing I've been doing. I've been giving them all, put them on a little, pouring some paint in the middle, white or black, and then dumping my cup on top of it. For some reason I'm enjoying doing that, so I'm going to continue. And what do you use? Okay, this is plain white house paint, Glidden Semi Gloss. Whoops, that was a bit. Gonna be a lot of white in this one. So who looks good with white? Oh, you know what? Okay, this color is a mixture of blue. It's some leftover colors, a mixture of blue. And no, wait a minute. This is ultramarine blue mixed with green. That's what that one is. And this one is a mixture of a whole bunch of different blues. Can you see that? So this one probably already has a little bit of, because it's a mixture. I'm going to try to just put one little drop in. Come on, it's hanging there. There we go. No, I don't want any more because it's a small cup. I'll do them all. This orange I don't think has any in it. I made a big batch, and I'm hoping I hoping that, I don't think that had anything in it. Okay, and you see treadmill paint, treadmill silicone. Okay, so now we'll just give those a little, boy, this yellow is already thickened up. Gosh, if my gravy would work that good when I make gravy, thicken up so friggin' fast. Just me mixing these guys, mixing them up. Hear my dog coming? My little baby girl, she's coming. I can hear her clinking away. She has to hop, kind of hops, because she had to have one of her legs removed from cancer. So you can kind of hear her coming. Her little tags on there make a bit of noise. So, oh, yeah, I put a little drop in there, didn't I? Yeah, that ought to be good. That'll be good. So, sometimes she does this because she thinks I got some, I'll spell it, T-R-E-A-T. Anybody else keep their dog from understanding what they're talking about? Yeah, she's, oh, you know what, I know something else she wants too. Oh, all right, I'll finish this pour. And then I have to go get her what she wants. She wants some treats. And I just remembered I set them out. She probably can smell them sitting there. Okay, what else do we want? Anything? All right, I'm going to take the orange. Oh, I want to get out some black. No, you know what? I think I'll make the, I'm going to pour this on the black. So I won't put it in there. I'm just going to hold this up real high. And hopefully it dives down in there. I don't like it when it doesn't have a smooth pour. It always worries me. You just see it kind of like BB gun. Okay. So I have to get plastic off of here. You can wait just a minute. Okay. All right, now for the paint uber ride. It's gonna take, and I've been loving doing a little ring on the outside of white. So let's just do that. Okay. I need my little corner catcher. No, I don't see it. Ah. Okay. I'll just use these. I think that'll work. Yeah, we'll use these instead. All right, we're ready. Let's see. Kind of dark and mysterious over here. Woohoo! All right. Wonder if that'll stay. That's pretty cool right there. I'm kind of wondering if I should pour a little bit of this leftover. There's enough to pour over here. Maybe just a little bit. We can get a little bit out. Maybe not. Oh, it's coming down really slow. Maybe it's a bad idea, but I'm still going to do it. my swirly area. Whoo! Okay. Kind of like this one already. I am going to, let's see, what am I going to do? Put a little black right here so when it gets over here. Alright, let me grab these. I'm just not ready to lose too much paint yet till I decide what's staying and what's going. So, and I like some of these different colors in that dark, so I'm going to kind of leave that area alone. I'm going to go for right here. Let's see if this works. Might not work. I think I'm going to need I just can't grip it good enough. So, well, let's see what we got. Okay, I think I got something right outside the door. Alright, I don't see anything. Sorry guys, I'm just gonna pour it. Just try to catch some of it. Oh. That might not help too much anyways. Oh, there goes my swigglies. Don't leave me, please. I beg you, stay. I'm going to try to do that same thing and swiggle a few more lines in. So here it comes, only a little bit in here, so. I don't know why, it's something kind of different, so I thought I would try it. Gosh dang it. I'm just going to put some of this on there because those little squiggly lines, I wanted to keep them, and they're kind of like getting too close to discomfort for me. All right. I kind of like it right there. I love it right there, actually. What do you think? Oops. Trying to hold it without the light hitting it. Anyways, I think that's it for me. I'm pretty happy. I'm very happy with that one. So they got some really cool things going on all over the place, and kind of like areas for, you know, like I'm always telling you, you need a place for your eye to rest. And there we got some beautiful little like ribbing going on in there. And there's just so many different textures going on. Love it. So, guys, thank you so much for stopping by. Hopefully you picked up something that you didn't, or maybe got motivated. Who knows? But anyways, I appreciate you guys at least stopping by. Thank you.